This is a giant sunflower. I've grown sunflowers before. Never this big. The size of that. What, girl? Come on, girl. What's wrong? You nervous? It's like zucchini. I've never grown zucchini before, tomato plants. Oh, these peppers.
Ah, get down.
Oh my goodness.
No.
Some more tomatoes. Come on, girl. Your mama's right here. Come here. Did you see the size of the sunflowers?
Ooh, holy mollies.
Let's see, look how tall.
I thought it was a banana tree.
I thought so too, but I felt the leaves in the shape of the leaves. It didn't, you know. But last time I saw a banana tree I was 12 years old. Oh, look at that little one that branched off.
No.
It's massive.
What is this?
Maybe it's sweet potato? Or, let's see, the flowers are up there. No, I think sweet potato leaves are more purple color. It should be a name. Oh, no, it's sweet potato. There's some purple leaves. Ooh, look at this. Come here, girl.
I'm gonna go back and round up again.
Alright. Like for my strawberry plants to look like this. I think sunflower is one of the easiest things to grow. That and maybe peas. Cucumbers, we had overwhelming success with cucumbers. I like how they have them spaced. So I could probably do that. Oh, another one we had a lot of success with is okra. They grew really tall, then it's like nothing could kill them. Once the rest of our harvest was done, they just kept growing and growing. I thought that was a person at first. Oh, I like how they use the, I didn't even notice. Use the Ziploc bag or whatever they're called to protect the sign. This is adorable. I love this. If my driveway is even half this length, I want to do this. And I love these trees. I think they're so pretty. I love their height. I love how they spread out. Like the color. They're just adorable trees. Like to plant some. That's cute. Didn't even notice the bushes. Oh, I guess the bushes are supposed to go all the way around, but not sure. Okay, I'm getting all twisted up. Okay, let's see what this is, or what it was.